Hola, niggas. Ni hao kai lan. Today's my first test. I should do good. I mean, I did it my first try. I did it my first try yesterday, but I guess the pressure wasn't really on, so that doesn't really count. Yeah. It's beaming though. It's getting hot as shit, and I don't even think it's in the 90s yet, my nigga. That's kind of. Thank God, bro, because I got 2 weeks left of this school shit. If I had to wait any longer, I don't know. I won't even do it. But hopefully it goes swell. Man, fuck hope, man. It is gonna go swell, man. It is. It will go swell. Damn, niggas. Niggas are driving very reckless out here, man. You really, damn. This shit looks kind of freaky, but kind of washing shit. So. Give me me, man. Oh, I mean, what does it matter? I need to see what I got on, huh? Batman, nigga. It's hot as shit. Got no AC in my car. Double whammy. More like triple, because I got a lot more wrong. But, hey, man. We're good. I had to watch a few videos for homework, a few like stud. How the fuck does a stud welder work, nigga? I'm really trying to understand. That's a nice ass bike. Should I get a bike and just start like doing illegal a test today, and this will be my first certification. This will be for 3G. Then next week will be for 4G, and then we go that last week to get 4G again for something else. I forget. I'm getting them. That's all I care for, nigga. My whole purpose is to get a D1.1 so I can do construction, and then it won't matter, nigga. But hopefully the way I'm trying to do it is I'm trying to circumference freakiness of the quadrilateral area. I'm trying to go work for the Union Pacific so I can do railroads. Hopefully, I'm not hopefully, I don't really give a fuck. If I work outside, I don't mind, to be honest. I might hate it at first, but I feel like, you know, you kind of grow on it. It's kind of, be a man, nigga. What does it matter? Outside of that, they do work inside sometimes too, though. It just matters if you're like doing the railroad or if you're doing the tracks. You could be doing the carts, you could be doing the infrastructure. It doesn't matter, you know, there's many things. But I'm hoping to do anything because they do have a very good starting pay, but I don't really give a fuck about the pay too much. There's a lot more to be learned, so I can get a lot more money, and then we're gonna get a worry about the shit. Because I mean, in the long game, the money will be there. We need the skills and the qualities now. The ability to talk to people, nigga. Outside of talking, but you know, the ability to weld too, of course. But yeah, I hope you niggas get what I'm getting at. I'm a little quenched. Alright, that's the word for it, right? That's some essential water, but this shit's hot. I'm asked for them to record me during the test. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to honk. Sorry. Fuck, I feel bad. Sorry. Complete bunions today. Today's not my day. Hold on. We got complete fusion. It's just not, it's too bumpy. Find some time and do something. Oh my God. Respect, nigga. What I'm gonna do, man. What I'm gonna do.